Uh, so far in North Italy, they haven't been very friendly to cyclists and pedestrians. So look at this. This is like the cyclist pedestrian path, I guess, or the other side. Same. So Italy, learn from this. Look at the Dutch, look at the Danish. At least try to make a bike path or something. Because when there's a lot of cars and trucks, it's rather difficult to run here. Or even for all the cyclists, I guess. But the fun part is, and the positive side is that a lot of cars and trucks try to give me room, and they give me a thumbs up, and yeah, so that's nice. Let's continue on this road, and hopefully it stays like this, not like in Verona and Mantova where it was really crowded. Yeah. It's kind of funny in a way, because people look really weird at you, like, why are you running here? Are you an idiot? Yes, I am an idiot. And with that, I will leave it and have a happy run to Novalara. Bye bye. And if you think that's just a part, it's basically all the road. Oh yeah, adventure we come. Bye.